Italy was everything we had hoped it would be. From the moment we stepped off the plane, you could feel it. The history, the energy, the weight of everything that's happened here. These photos are ours, modern moments from our trip. But we chose to see them in black and white because sometimes that makes you pause just long enough to really take it in. Rome is a city you can walk. No matter how much you plan, you just end up moving. Street by street, corner by corner, and then, without warning, you're standing in front of the Colosseum. Built in 80 AD, and yet it's still part of the rhythm of the city. Not behind glass, not behind a fence, not set apart at all. It's just there. That's what stood out the most. History isn't something you visit in Rome. It's something you're surrounded by. One turn, and you're in the ancient ruins, where daily life, politics, decisions all happened at once. And now it's quieter, but not empty, not even close. Some places feel grand, others feel precise. The Pantheon is one of those, standing for nearly 2,000 years and still doing exactly what it's designed to do. And then there's the Trevi Fountain, completely different energy, crowded, loud, but still one of those moments you don't skip. At some point you slow down. Places like St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican kind of make sure you do that. You don't rush it, you just stand there and take it all in. Rome is a walking city. Sometimes you just stumble upon places that you didn't even know that you were going to find. That is the beauty of the city, not knowing what you're going to see. And then, just like that, the trip shifts. Same country, but a completely different vibe. Venice moves differently, built across more than 100 islands. With canals instead of roads, there are no cars, there's no constant noise, just water. We didn't try to control Venice. We walked, turned corners, and turned more corners. And honestly, that's when it felt the best. Not the big moments, but the in-between ones. Then you'll find places like St. Mark's Square, open, busy, and full of energy. And it reminds you, every part of this trip had its own pace. The history was incredible. There's no question about that. But what stays with you? It's us. It's the walks. It's the conversations. The pauses to take it all in. Looking at everything in black and white makes Italy feel exactly how we felt when we were there. Although it was very modern, it was very vintage. There was a lot of history, a lot to take in. These pictures make us reflect on the time that we were there.